because you want to make sure you put this thing back right, because this is 480 volt and you will die literally if you mess up. Oh, good one, bro. Second humidifier right here. I think it's huge. This is all limescale buildup, preventing the cylinders from draining and humidifying. Oh, jeez. I mean, it's literally like Rice Krispies. It's like a Frosted Flakes. That much scale in here, bro. The solenoid for it right here. Scale buildup. We're gonna get all this stuff out of there. So this is all the scale coming out of there. See what's on here. And mind you, before today, I had never touched a humidifier, especially one of this caliber. But you can figure out anything if you take your time and you be careful as you're going.